Start recording. Passing Robble Dam on our right, heading to Murree, and now I'll be passing a small town called Malpur, and then we'll take an overhead bypass for Baraka, Islamabad, Pakistan. You guys even been through this road when there was no bypass. We used to go through Malpur and there was a lot of traffic. At that time it was under construction and they were making the pillars, and we have that video also of those days. We were in a truck, you know. Now on the left,
In 600 meters, slight left onto the ramp to Barakahu Bypass Road.
you can also go through the city, but there's going to be a lot of traffic. Maybe it's now less traffic since they have the bypass. Now, you can stop.
Slight left onto the ramp to Barakahu Bypass Road.
Now you're going to make a video for another 10 minutes.